Wednesday. So, nagme-make ako ng breakfast. And today is yung field trip ni Caleb. So, gagawa tayo ng babaunin natin sa kanyang field trip. Kasi, nung nag-field trip si Chad, hindi ako prepared. Hindi ako nagbaon. At kasama natin ang aking asawa today sa kanyang field trip. So, first time niyang mag-field trip kasama, first time niyang mag-field trip pa with kids. First time niyang mag-field trip sa isa sa mga anak niya. Kaya, sobrang exciting pa para sa kanya. Kasi ako lagi yung pupunta sa field trip nila. So, ngayon, kasama siya. So, exciting to. So, yeah. Gumagawa ako ng breakfast nung dalawa. Egg and bacon sandwich ang gagawin ko. And then, yung babaunin natin para sa field trip, siguro, ham and cheese sandwich na lang para mas madali. Kasi hindi naman magtatagal doon for the whole lunch time. So, yun na lang yung gagawin natin para mas madali. What do you want your lunch? For me to bring you for lunch?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
What do you mean okay? Where you go? You want that one? Okay. Okay. It's in the freezer, duh. What else do you want? You want the animals? Okay. Are you serious? You want movie too? Okay. But just eat for now.
Well, Mom, I was thinking,
Sit down. What lunch do you want, Chad? What do you want? I can make you ham and cheese. If you want that.
yeah, I'll take ham and cheese.
Do you want the regular ham? Or you want Daddy's ham?
The regular ham.
Lupa.
Mom.
Alright, Chad, start eating now.
To crash on tonight shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking put on the show. I'm dancing.
So, ito yung lunch ni Kuya Chad. So, ham and cheese sandwich. Itong Gilbert the Animals. And then some kemba. And then itong fruit snack. And itong fig na to. Basta. Ay, favorite niya yun. And then some Gatorade. Yan. So, yan ang lunch ni Kuya Chad. Sinisipon ako po. Yes. You need to eat all of this, huh?
Alright.
Yummy? You better eat all these.
Alright.
Okay, eat. Iyak ka na naman eh. Oh, it's 6:06 na, oh. It's 6:07 na. Gimme kiss. Ayun na yung bus nila.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Gimme kiss. Wait.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Alright. Say bye, Kuyas.
Mommy, you
Be
can't
good.
there when you only at the bottom. Then you say, bubble, bubble.
Tingnan nyo itong dalawang to. Gising na. Alright, go inside. Say hello.
The time.
Ayan, nurgas nila ng cereal, guys. So, habang maliligo ako, kumakain sila ng cereal.
Can we go to Mama's house?
Yeah, you're gonna go to Mama's house because we have to go to Kuya Caleb's field trip, okay? You like that anyways, don't you?
Yeah. I like a field trip.
It's Kuya Caleb's field trip this time.
Okay, let's see who can run very fast.
Yeah. Alright, eat your cereal. Okay, I'm gonna go shower, okay?
Where's Chad going?
Kuya Chad's gonna stay at school. Okay? Alright, you two eat. Come on, Sissy, take a bite of your cereal.
I'll take pink.
Okay, we'll eat all of it, not just pink.
Goat.
Huh?
Bingo's a goat.
Yeah. Okay, eat.
Go on.
So guys, alis na tayo. So nai-ready na ng asawa ko yung mga dadalhin natin. So we have ham and cheese sandwich para sa amin na asawa ko. Like yung sinabi ko sa inyo kaganina umaga. And then si Caleb is yung peanut butter and jelly na basta makikita nyo mamaya pag nag-lunch time na. And then, bibili na lang kami ng drinks namin before kami pumunta sa coal mine. And, so yeah, naka-ready na. And si Troy at Natalia, hinatid na sila nung asawa ko sa bahay ng lola nila. Ayan, so let's go kasi naghihintay na aking asawa. And nagdala ako ng jacket kasi malamig doon. Well, pag pumasok ka sa sa under the malamig. Pero dahil hindi natin alam kung makakasama tayo sa loob ng under the tag na to. Wait lang, patayin pala yung ilaw. Doon sa under yung kung naalala niyo yung sa field trip ni Chad kasi same lang yung field trip ni Chad at saka ni Caleb. So pumunta sila underground. Pumunta kami underground. So dahil marami kasi yung student ng teacher ng mga classmate ni Caleb. Kaya baka ilang parents lang ang pwedeng mag-join sa bakit nakalabas to? Sa underground. Kaya
yeah, we will see. So, kailangan na doon tayo na maaga para makakuha tayo ng ticket. Kasi, para makakuha tayo ng ticket. Yun. Tapos, may dala akong coffee. Ayan, nilala ko na yung pinto. Wala namang ibang nakabukas dito. So, ayan. Malamig. Alright, so, ayan. So, let's go! So, hindi ko alam kung kukuha kami bibili kami ng breakfast. So, malalaman natin mamaya kapag nakaalis na tayo kung magbe-breakfast tayo or hindi. So, dahil dalawa lang kami ng asawa ko, so hinihintay ko pa siya kasi hinatid niya si Troy tsaka si Natalia. Hindi ba nakasarado to? Tag nito, gamit namin yung truck ng asawa ko ngayon. So, dahil dalawa lang kami, and hindi namin pwede na isama si Caleb pa uwi dahil nag-iinarte ang school. So let's go. Ayan ang ating asawa. What's that? Oh.
Keys.
Duh. So, di ko naman alam na papasok pa siya sa loob ng bahay. So, ang alis ng school, ng bus nila sa school is 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock na sila makakarating sa school, and same time din yung yung kagaya din nila Chad, 8 o'clock na rin sila nakarating sa sa school. Ay, dun sa coal mine. Kaya, yep. So, yeah. Let's go and we'll see you guys at the coal mine. So, guys, nandito na kami. So, also Miss Myers class to. So, ayan. Hinintay na lang namin yung mga kids dumating kasi wala pa sila. So, ikot-ikot lang si Daddy kasi first time niya dito. First time? That's your first time? Mm-hmm. So, ayan. Ikot-ikot lang tayo. Ayan, na-vlog ko na to last time. But not all of it. May elevator pala. Ayan. Ito, hindi ko to nakita. Before itong mga village na to. Look at that. So cool. This village right here is so cool. Ayan na sila. Ayan si Kainab. Ayan na guys, papunta na tayo. Tayo yung team 1. Are you excited?
Yeah, a little bit scared.
A little bit scared. Why?
I've never been on this before.
Well, it's your first time. This is my second time. Alright, we're going. Woo! We're going. Woo!
I got it.
Tignan niyo guys. So yan guys. Nandito kami sa taas. Is it lunchtime, Caleb? See, there's the sun!
If kid has a field trip here, I'm coming with him.
Huh?
If kid has a field trip here, I'm coming.
He already done his field trip.
No, another field trip
No, he's not gonna get another field trip here. Let me see what you got. Ito guys, so binili ni Caleb sa gift shop.
here. It's a heart.
It's a heart necklace. $5. Yeah.
After this, can we do the gift shop again?
No. You only go to a gift shop one time. Ikaw masyado ka.
Mom,
Oh, tamo, paborito si Moby. Pati sa field trip dinadala si Moby.
Mom. We've been to Walmart a lot of times.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa inside ng ano. So nandoon sila sa loob ng planetarium na madilim at umiikot ang mundo mo. Yan. So dito lang tayo sa labas. Kasi nakapasok ako doon and yeah, nag-give up ako at tumabas ako before. And they're here trying to figure it out this to make a tea. Give up? Is it making you mad now?
Huh?
Good. Stand right there. No, move. Move like this.
No. Settle. Now do it.
We got it. Come here.
Don't cover your face. There you go. Oh my God.
Can I see?
Ayun na guys. Sasakay na sila sa bus. Ayun si Caleb. Hindi ko ma-zoom in. I don't know why. Ayun. Ayun si Caleb. Ayun si Caleb. So, ito guys. Nakauwi na kami. Susundin ko na yung 2 bagets. Aray ko. So, I don't know kung ano ginagawa nila. Baka natutulog sila for nap. Pero tingnan natin kung natutulog sila. I'm so tired. Ito na ang prinsesa. Look at that, guys. Ang prinsesa namin. Naka-backless si ate girl. Naka-backless ka, ate girl. Naka-boots pa yan, oh. Tingnan nyo. Country girl talaga siya. Ano ba naman tong tatay mo? Siniksik niya talaga yung sasakyan dito para wala tayo madaanan. Where did Troy go? He went inside already? Talaga naman, oh. Nagmadali, oh.
Mom, these are toys different.
Yeah. So, ito yung mga ating mga flower, guys. Guys, nandito na tayo sa bus stop. Oh my gosh, I'm so sleepy. Diyan na ba yung bus? Nakakainis! Ang layo-layo ko sa spot ko. Nakakaloka dahil merong isang sasakyan doon, no, sa pwesto ko. Nakakaloka. Di ko alam kung sino siya. Siguro tatay ito nung may isa din kasing dinadrop off dito. Ano ba ngayon? Wednesday? Alam ko hindi naman siya dinadrop off ng Wednesday eh. Pero I don't know. Baka tatay niya to. Kaya nandun siya sa pwesto ko. Nakakaloka. Pwesto ko yun eh. Nauna siya sa akin dito. Kaya parang layo-layo tuloy na lalakaran ng dalawa. Dahil nandito ako sa medyo talagang malayo-layo na talaga ako. Dahil kinuha niya yung pwesto ko, nakakainis. Inaantok ako. Di ko alam kung anong ano namin ngayon guys, yung dinner namin kasi parang hindi ako magluto ngayon dahil nga nag field trip tayo and wala akong nailabas na kahit na kaya di ko alam kung anong kakainin namin ngayon for dinner. Makabibili na lang kami ng food. I don't know kung anong mapag-usapan mamaya kung anong kakainin namin. Hindi na ako masyadong nag-vlog nung sa field trip ganina kasi na-vlog ko naman dun sa nung nag-field trip si Chad. Medyo nakakaloka yung field trip ngayon kasi wala talagang maayos na but naging enjoy naman, na-enjoy naman ni Caleb. Sobrang na-enjoy niya, as in sabi pa nga niya na kagabi habang sabi niya hindi siya makatulog kasi sobrang excited siya sa field trip niya. Kaya sabi ko, ang arte mo naman, kala mo ngayon lang nag field trip. Kaya ayun. Kaya naging okay naman. Inulan tayo kahit inulan, pero buti na lang naabutan tayo ng ulan. Nasa loob tayo ng yung mini museum nila doon. And yung nandoon sila sa may isang sa may basta yung nandoon sila sa loob ng na hindi na ako pumasok kasi nga yan na yung bus. So ayan. So anyway, so yeah. All in all, na-enjoy naman ng mga bagets yung kanilang lalo na si Caleb, sobrang nag-enjoy siya. Kaya ayan, sige, mo yung pwesto ng bus. Kaya dito na sila. Hi!
Hi!
You have your jacket?
Yes.
Okay.
The reason why it's taking so long is because he has a lot of books.
Oh, he has a lot of books again?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Is
that Miranda? Is that Miranda right there?
Yeah.
Oh, so
Miranda's dad.
that's Miranda's dad.
Yeah.
He took my spot. He waved at me, but man, he took my spot.
Yeah.
I didn't even know who he was. He took my spot. Nakakaloka.
Miranda's dad.
I don't know. He waved at me, but I waved at him. Okay, let's go home. So guys, pumili na ng dinner ang asawa. Kasama niya si Chad, si Natalia. So, we're having pati na ilong ko. We're having tacos. So, we're having tacos and si Troy and Natalia, they're having nuggets lang kasi ayaw nila ng taco. Kaya, nuggets lang sila. So, kami, taco Wednesday instead na taco Tuesday. So, yun. Kaya, pauwi na sila. And, kakain na tayo. Dahil, 5:52 na. Para maging ready na din yung mga bagets sa, mag-shower dahil meron pa silang school tomorrow. Last day ng school nila is June 6 and awards day din nila yung June 6, kaya antag na to, kaya magkakaroon ng awards day sa June 6 yung last day ng school nila. So yeah, so syempre open siya, manunod tayo like yung ginawa nila last time na awards day sila. So it's talagang I can't believe na magkakaroon na ako ng 4th grade at 3rd grade. Oh my gosh, plus pre-K dahil mag-i-school na rin si Troy. Hindi talaga ako maka-get over na talagang mag-i-school na si Troy, as in like yeah. So, as in talaga, hindi talaga ako makaget over. As in, ay nako. Tapos susunod na si Natalia. Tapos lonely na ako dito sa bahay. Ang makakasama ko na lang dito, yung aking pusa. Yung na lang. And, syempre, kasama ko kayo. Wow! But anyways, ayun. Hintayin na lang natin ang aking asawa. And then, we're gonna go eat kasi I'm really, really hungry. So, ayan na guys. Say hi.
Hi!
Say kain tayo.
Kain tayo! Let's eat!
Yeah, let's eat. Kain tayo. So, ayan. Taco. Taco Wednesday. Hi, Daddy.
That's what Mommy wants, Taco Wednesday.
Good morning. Alright, let's kain tayo, guys.
On the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts.
So guys, iyan ko na ang vlog. I am so tired. Magtatanggal lang ako na aking mini mock up. And then, tulog na yung mga bagets. So, maaga na naman tayo gising tomorrow dahil may school pa. And I think we have like 7 days left from school. I'm so excited. But yeah, we're gonna go to Choi's appointment tomorrow para sa kanyang braso na munti ka nang maputol. So, we'll find out kung okay ang kanyang braso or not. So, hopefully talaga na okay ang braso ni Troy, na hindi niya kailangan ng surgery. So yun guys, ayan ko ng vlog and tutulog na kami dahil may school pa tomorrow and maagang appointment ni Troy tomorrow sa kanyang braso. So, I'm gonna say good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you again on the next one. Good night.